So for 2020 here, one thing Mossberg is excited to introduce is our 410 semi-auto. So this is our SA-410. As you can see, it's available in Mossy Oak Original Bottomland. It comes with a pick rail up top for optics. It also comes stock with your Beard Buster sight. One of the big features on here is this, it has the interchangeable choke tube. So this is going to be great for pairing with those premium tungsten loads, and this will be great for your turkey hunters out there. MSRP on this is $735.